Hi, this video will support you on questions 1, 2, and 3. So before I even talk about the concept, the skill required for this unit is the following. You need to know how to use a calculator to convert a fraction to a decimal. You need to know how to use a calculator to convert any type of fraction to a decimal. So let's go ahead and convert 2 over 3 into any type of decimal. So once again, the fraction was 2 over 3, and we're converting that to a decimal. So with our calculator, we're going to type in 2 divided by, because the little bar right there, let me go ahead and emphasize that. This little bar represents division. So it's 2 divided by the number 3, and click enter. So this fraction is equal to 0.666. So anyways, that's a little bit of the skill that you are required. Let's go over to the actual concept. So the main concept that we're learning is we're learning how to basically simplify fractions and create basically simplifying to the point that your denominator is the value of 1. So once again, what you're basically learning is how to simplify by using division, how to simplify a rate or a fraction to basically a unit rate where the denominator is 1. So we're learning to simplify fractions with units to a unit rate where you have the number 1 in the bottom. So let's go ahead and do some example problems, and we'll go ahead and talk a little bit more about the skills and everything integrated together. So let me get a simple problem. So go ahead and read this problem. If you need to pause the video, definitely pause the video. But I like for you to read along with me. So Alexa has a cupcake business in Madera, California. One day, a customer ordered 20 cupcakes in 4 boxes. All right. So think about the actual story happening. So there's 20 cupcakes in 4 boxes. So how many cupcakes will the customer receive per 1 box? So think about what the question is asking you to find. Okay, they're asking you to find how much, and I hope you're able to understand that they're asking you to find out how many cupcakes can you put in 1 box. So with that in mind, we're gonna go ahead and write, or actually we're gonna annotate what we're finding. So we want to know cupcakes to or per 1 box. Okay, let's go ahead and start off. So we know what we're finding, but anyways, let's go ahead and read it one more time just to make sure we understand the problem. Alexa has a cupcake business in Madera, California. One day, a customer ordered 20 cupcakes in 4 boxes. So how many cupcakes will the customer receive per 1 box? Okay, before we even start writing anything, we're going to ask ourselves, what is the rate in the problem? So how many cupcakes per boxes do we have? Okay, and write the fraction down. I hope you're able to recognize that there was 20 cupcakes, CK for cupcakes, for 4 boxes. They're wanting to find out how many cupcakes fit in 1 box. You could definitely do it the traditional way where you divide top and bottom by the number 4, or you can just go ahead and separate the units from the numbers. So we're going to actually do that part. We're going to separate numbers to units. So 20 over 4, CK for cupcakes, over the boxes. So we're going to go ahead and divide this to a decimal. So go ahead and do that in your calculator. And I hope you were able to get the number 5 out. So there's 5 cupcakes for 1 box. So there's 5 cupcakes. And remember, we could change anything to a fraction by just adding the number 1 in the bottom. So before you even answer this question, we're going to write 5 over 1. And that's cupcakes. And this is box Write the S over there. So for 5 cupcakes in one box. So how many cupcakes will the customer receive? Well, she's gonna receive 5 cupcakes. Okay, that's the example that we did, and that should be enough. And let me check up on the time. Yeah, that should be enough. Anyways, you're basically creating fractions and then simplifying them down by using division and using your calculator. Anyways, enjoy your day. Bye.